In this video, I will show you how to see liked reels on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap video icon on the bottom bar. Next, tap Reels option at the top. Now tap profile like icon located at the top right side. On profile page, under your name, tap videos. Now tap liked option and you will find all those reels that you had liked on Facebook. You can rewatch these reels or just browse through the list. So that is how you can see liked reels on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.